Thinking about using Vance for your next money transfer, let's break down what people are actually saying so you can decide if it's the right move for you. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Vance is a digital money transfer service that promotes itself as fast, easy, and borderless. Their website is pretty sleek, offering features like multi-currency wallets or transfers with minimal fees. It definitely looks modern and user-friendly. On Trustpilot, Vance currently had 4.1 stars out of 5 from over 260 reviews. Most users highlight smooth transfer, fast customer support, and a simple app interface. Some people like that the fees were clear upfront and transfers arrived quickly. However, not everyone's experience was perfect. A few users did mention occasional delays and the hiccups of verification, which seems like a common issue with newer fintech platforms. For the official side, everything checks out as a professional, but beyond that, there isn't much third party info or long term user data yet. So, if you are thinking of using them for large transactions, it might be worth testing it with a smaller one first. Vance doesn't look like a scam. It seems to be a legit one, up and coming money transfer platform with solid early reviews. Still, since it's relatively new and feedback is a bit limited beyond Trustpilot, just be cautious and start small if you're unsure. Have you tried Vans? Drop your experience in the comments, and if you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more no nonsense reviews.